Hello my Kandor crafters, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making an autographed t-shirt by one of my favorite artists of all time. For this project I'm using Printable heat transfer vinyl for dark fabrics. It is the Silhouette brand and it comes with 5 sheets and 2 parchment paper sheets. And I did get the one for dark colors because my shirt is going to be black. Next, I'm using my Cricut Joy Smart Iron-On Vinyl. I have a mat for my heat press, but you can definitely use a towel. A shirt, of course, and either a heat press or an iron will do for this project. First, I print out my image on the printable vinyl. I just got this image offline. Since I have a Mac, I just opened it in Pages and just made the image as big as I could, like as big as the paper, and then printed it out. So all I'm doing here is just cutting off the white edges because that will definitely show on my shirt if I didn't cut them off, and I did not want that. So I'm just slicing them off using my ruler and my X-Acto knife. Next up, I did the signature. So I just went on Google and just Googled up Whitney Houston signature. Then I saved it and uploaded it into Cricut Design Space. Then I just cleaned it up a little bit. I know when you first put it in, it kind of looks a bit intimidating, but it's honestly not that bad. I did it on my iPad, so I don't know if that made a difference, but the signature came out much smoother than it looked on Design Space. I made this signature 4.5 in height and 5.5 in width, and just cut it out with my Cricut Joy. Please, 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 please do not forget to mirror your image. This is HTV, so it will come out backwards if you don't mirror your image. Now for the fun part. I heat up my easy press to about 340 for 50 seconds. I take my t-shirt ruler that I made in my last video. If you didn't see it, you should go ahead and watch it because you're not doing anything else after this, so you might as well. And I just line it up. Now for this vinyl, you do not need to mirror your image for the simple fact that you are pressing it on as is, and you'll just see me peel and literally kind of stick. I put my parchment paper over the photo and I pressed down for the 50 seconds, and then I put my signature on and then press that down for another 50 seconds. Fun fact, Whitney Houston is actually from my hometown of Newark, New Jersey. So yes, of course, she's one of my favorite artists. Probably my favorite artist of all time. The GOAT. May she rest in peace. I made this shirt because one, I love her. Two, this picture is gorgeous. 3, our hair kind of matches. And 4, I was never able to get her autograph while she was still here with us. So I was just like, well, I'm gonna just make my own. Why not? I saved the peel reveal for TikTok, so I'm sorry about that, but this is how the shirt turned out. I love it so much. Like, I love it so much. This shirt was super easy to make. It probably took like 15-20 minutes. It came out so cute, and who doesn't like wearable crafts? Like, so yeah, I inserted some pictures of me wearing the shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make some autographed t-shirts of your own. So if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Watch another video after this. And if you have any questions, feel free to just ask them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.